Are you missing some important information in your blog? Time to revamp your blog improvement strategy with our AI-assisted blog section writer. I am here to assist you in using WriteMe.ai. With the new improved user interface on web and mobile, it is now much easier and convenient to use WriteMe.ai. Today I am going to share how you can use WriteMe.ai blog section writer to polish your blog in few easy steps. As you know, first you have to select your desired language, your tone of voice, and your preferred use case. Then, input some relevant information such as keywords, phrases, main context, titles, characters, and goal of blog section. Finally, simply click Write Me. That's it. Fill the gaps in your blog with AI-assisted blog section writing. Engage your audience better and faster at only a fraction of the cost. Write engaging sections for blog posts to keep the attention of your audience firmly in place throughout your article. Bridge the gaps in your blog's information flow with a unique blog section writer. I hope that we are providing you with the complete details on how to use WriteMe.ai Creator to generate meaningful content for you. If not, please tell us in the comments section. Thanks. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.